Hello, I hope you're enjoying Parents' Evening so far. My name is James Massara, I'm the Head of Extended Learning. I want to just talk to you about something we call next steps. So this is the way that we support our students to apply to university or to apprenticeship. Now this part of this presentation is just about parents and guardians of level 2 and level 3 year 1 students. One of the first things we often ask a student when they're applying to Sir George Monarchs is, what is your dream? Now we do this very deliberately because we feel it is our responsibility to support our students to fulfill those dreams. So we need to know what courses best to put them on, and what support they're going to need to fulfill that dream. So for a level 2 student, it'll be over the next 2 years. For a level 3 year 1 student, it'll be over the next year. Students will start to be introduced to the different opportunities that they have once they leave the college. As I said, we call this their next steps, and we place an awful lot of emphasis on this. For example, students during their passport days will get the opportunity to really reflect on what they think their next steps are. It's their opportunity to tell us if they've changed their mind, and then maybe record some of the things they've done to take those steps towards their dream job or dream opportunity when they leave college. So towards the end of this academic year, students will all get to meet their next steps advisor. So this is a teacher or a member of support staff who will have 8 sessions with that student and will guide them through their application to apprenticeship, university, or help them to apply straight for a job. The other thing that will happen is students will all get their login to Unifrog for the first time. Look, Unifrog is an absolutely wonderful tool that students have, and it allows them to do all the research that they need to do to make sure they're applying to the correct university or apprenticeship. It goes into loads of detail, but it is a very easy step-by-step guide, and their next steps advisor will use Unifrog to support them. As I say, it's an absolutely wonderful tool, and the feedback we've had from students in the 3 years that we've been using it is absolutely wonderful. If you would like a parent account, then all you need to do is go to unifrog.org. There's a sign in with form code option, and if you do that and put in the code Sir George Monarchs parent, it's all one word, then it will put you in with a parent login. Now that's not your son or daughter's login. If you want to see what they're doing, you'll need to ask them to log in and show you. Just a quick word on apprenticeships. So students tend to apply to apprenticeships towards the back end of their couple of years with us. We have a Careers and Employability team who really support them. They support the next steps advisors with giving students who want to apply for an apprenticeship advice. But what we will always do is suggest that someone who wants to apply for apprenticeship also applies for university. The reasons for this are that a really good apprenticeship is quite often more difficult to pick up than a good university place, and we want to make sure that students keep their options open. Well, we're looking forward to supporting our students through towards their next steps. As I say, it's something we take a lot of pride in, and we're always happy to talk to parents, and we're excited about the help you can provide for us as well. Thank you.